It may seem simple, but a lot goes into ensuring our water is pure and safe to drink. The story starts in our rivers and lakes, where raw water is captured and screened to remove larger particles like sticks and even fish. Next, chemicals called coagulants are added. These bind smaller particles together to be removed by gravity. The water is then filtered through sand media. The water now looks clear, but microorganisms still thrive. They're destroyed with ozone, chlorine, or ultraviolet light. A final round of sampling and laboratory testing is carried out. Only now is it ready to go to homes and businesses. Your water goes through a lot before it gets to you.